I'm going to show you in this video how I take care of my tender plants, my geraniums and fuchsias, which I love during the summer, but during the winter they need to be protected against the frost. And here I'm using my Keder greenhouse. I recently made a video on building a small greenhouse, ideal for those who haven't got much space. But if you have got some space, a Keder greenhouse is like having an insurance policy for your tender plants in winter. This is the position I've chosen for the larger greenhouse. I need some assistance constructing this greenhouse, so Colin from Keder is here to help. Now, Colin is just putting the finishing touches to the Keder greenhouse and it looks pretty good. You're doing a great job. Whilst he's doing that, I've come out to start to collect some of my tender plants that are going to suddenly go into their new home there, tucked up, all nice because it's insulated and keep it away from the frost. I've got things like my geraniums. This was a lovely geranium last year. I picked it up from one of the flower shows. Masses of pink flowers over a variegated leaf. So I don't want to lose this. I'm going to put it into the Keder greenhouse. Then I'm going to take cuttings to propagate more. I've also got some fuchsias. They did pretty well last year, so I'm overwintering those. Some cuttings as well, some hardwood cuttings that I've got of my currants. I've got some euremerus that I also bought at the flower show. That's going in the herbaceous border later. Some early seeds as well. I think you get the picture. All these plants are going to be nicely tucked up in that new Keder greenhouse. There we are. Look at that. It's up. I can't wait to get inside, let alone new plants. Come on then. Wow. Wow. It's like having another room to the house, but this one is just for my plants. Look at that. Look how big that space is there. That's great for my seeds and for my cuttings, overwintering plants, potting on. Now I've even had made that's come out really well, a potting bench. So I had some of these containers. Colin's cut this out for me here for all the compost for potting. How marvellous, just the space. I can't get over it. And over this side here, this is really for a lot of growing my own. My aim is to produce crops out of season really, because too early in spring it's still very cold, but this is going to extend the season because it's quite warm and bright. Look at the light coming through, and because it is brighter and warmer, I'll be able to get the crops started off a lot earlier. And of course it also enables me to run it right the way through into the autumn, so I've completely extended the growing season. But as you can see here, it's all created for the professional, but on a smaller scale, although this is a big scale to me in my garden. But it's this bench here. It's going to be perfect for my seeds, my cuttings, some of my favourite plants as I bring them on. But of course, also for the plants that I'm overwintering, those ones just outside, and a few more I hasten to add. Right, better bring them in. There we are, my plants in place, starting to feel like home now. And I can start the things off earlier as well. That's the best thing about extending the season. I'm now chitting my seed potatoes, using the egg box here to get those started. There's quite a few more of those to go out. I can start some early sowing of seeds, potting up some of the plants at the same time. This space here, where do I start? I want to get some herbs in there, start getting the cropping a little bit earlier. I've got a few violas there. Don't forget, edible flowers. And I've also put some of the strawberry runners that I've taken off my strawberries here. I put a little bit of straw around the outside to get them started. It's about extending the season, because effectively in here, no matter what the weather, I could be doing some gardening activities. And it's the hobby that's also a profession that I love so much, and being able to do it all year round is a real treat. Keder greenhouses are designed and constructed in the UK, providing optimal growing conditions for gardeners and professional growers. The exterior cladding insulates and diffuses the light through the structure, ensuring the plants kept within the greenhouse benefit from more warmth and light. It is the technology within the cladding that helps keep your heating and energy consumption down. A Keder greenhouse is designed to endure winds of more than 120 mile an hour. In fact, the team at Keder have built their greenhouses in the remotest parts of the Scottish Highlands. And the customers of Keder have been using the same greenhouse for more than 30 years. They really last. This provides extraordinary value for money and illustrates the ingenuity of the design and manufacture. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great free content like this. Oh, and don't forget to turn on your notifications and I'll let you know when a brand new video comes out.